Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. You have the booking confirmation and you're logged into the ticket app or email account. Once done, open the event page and display the QR code or confirmation number. Make sure the code is fully visible on screen. If network is weak, download the ticket for offline use or take a screenshot. Also confirm the payment method and any promo applied so you avoid delays at the counter. After arrival, check the lobby signage against your ticket time and seat. Once done, open the stored QR and verify seat number on the theater's display or kiosk. If seat change options appear, pick quickly to avoid losing your spot. Make sure to add the ticket to your phone wallet or keep the screenshot handy so you don't depend on network. Also confirm any age checks, ID requirements, or timed entry windows so you won't be turned away. Approach the scanner confidently. Hold your QR steady and bright, letting staff scan once. If the scanner struggles, hand your confirmation email or the last 4 digits of the booking. Once scanned, head to your seat and keep the ticket accessible until concessions or refunds clear. If something goes wrong, a wrong seat, invalid code, or double charge, ask the box office immediately. A quick fix is to show the screenshot, increase screen brightness, or switch to airplane mode and reopen the image while staff assist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.